welcome back to the channel, welcome to Brothers Talk. On a bit of an adventure today. As you can see, Dino's car's here, but Dino isn't with me. He's had to work. I've drove down to Aylesbury for him because I'm at Royal Steering Wheel. He's having a new steering wheel fitted on this, and I'm excited. I'm gutted that he's not the one here getting it fitted and obviously driving it back. I'm going to be the first person to drive it and use the wheel, so feel a bit bad for him, but I can't complain. It's not bad for me, is it? So yeah, 3-hour drive today to get here, a bit of a jaunt, but not too bad. And yeah, we can get this wheel fitted. They're going to show us the process, getting the wheel swapped over, like disconnecting the other one, talk us through sort of the stitching, how they do it and bits like that. So quite interesting. So obviously we'll clip that in at the end here. But yeah, I mean, give us a like if you're interested in this kind of content. Put a comment in, let us know if the colour and sort of design that Dino's gone for is something you would have chose, or if you would have gone for something slightly different. And obviously subscribe to the channel, help us out. Obviously we're enjoying doing this. It gets us a chance, me and my brothers get together and put some videos together, but we want to get loads more videos out. So we need a 5,000 mile review on this. I've just touched on 5,000 miles coming down here, so we need to get a review on this. Let Dino sort of thoughts of the last sort of 6 months, five or 6 months, I think, of ownership. See what he thinks about it and everything. Because obviously I'm going through that now, so I'm early days on that one. And yeah, like I say, stay tuned. We've got loads more videos coming. Want to bring you more and more. But yeah, see what you think of this. Let us know what you think of the steering wheel. Drop us a comment and yeah, stay tuned for this.
Okay, so have some slots. Okay, so yeah, that's quite quick. This is right. Ignition is off. Nice. It's okay. It's okay. That's fine. Right, modifications. Good. Well, quick sounding job, yeah?
Looks very simple.
Yeah, so the wheel is left straight. Cool, yeah, and let's take this inside to remove all the bits and transfer on the new wheel. Cool. That's all good here. Right. On the Mustang is quite easy.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, extra bit.
So you use this wheel then and rewrap it for somebody else?
Yeah, for somebody, yeah, for the next order,
yeah.
Basically, yeah. 1, 2.
Really good business model, really, because a lot of the time you're buying a wheel and you're buying everything, aren't you, really, instead of just the
Yeah, and then you often buy from China the aftermarket wheels.
Yeah.
You know, so they're not kind of genuine, different metal. You know.
Yeah.
Right.
It's all stock OEM, so it fits well and.
Yeah, that's right. All the parts fit nicely. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, those two.
Said I feel bad for me brother because I'm the first person to use the steering wheel now. It should be him. Should have put some white gloves on to drive home with it.
Yeah, like that. Oh yeah, some like kind of a cover, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So this is all good. That should clip. Yeah, one. And then another one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you do anything where you can change like the thickness or slightly the shape of it with the thumb grips,
Yeah.
things like that? Yeah, you do all that. Yeah,
We do the flat bottom modification, 2 styles.
Yeah.
One is a G350 style, another one with the profiles.
Yeah.
But he didn't want it. He
Yeah,
wanted
yeah, yeah.
to just to keep it standard shape.
Yeah.
Let me. Quite special, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Right.
Steering wheel's such an important part of the car because you're that's the bit what you're in control of, isn't it? That's the bit you hold constantly. So
Yeah.
to have a nice steering wheel, I think it really.
I think this is kind of nicely grippy.
Yeah, it's lovely. Do you do the gear stick and handbrake gaiters at all as well?
I think we could do the gear gaiter
Yeah.
if you wanted. I think with the gear knob, I don't know how this comes off,
Yeah.
but definitely, you know, we could do. But I think it's, you know, it's okay. Maybe if it was me, this is yellow bit. He's got yellow exterior. Maybe I would put like a yellow ball.
Yeah, the cue ball,
Yeah.
like this style, the snooker ball.
Let's do the connection for the airbag first, and then at the end the horn. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is in, and this is the last bit. Cool. Oh yeah, now it's locked. Okay. Right, so ignore the horn. We're just
Yep.
gonna do quick.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. It's new, so you know I vacuum.
Yeah.
And at the beginning you just need to a few times.
Yeah,
Just
dusted.
keep it. Yeah, dust it, and then later will be just nice.
Wow, looks beautiful.
Put the stitching that corner. Yeah. Should be seen, yeah. Nicely because you can see part of the seat as well. And
Yeah.
then
Yeah, it's beautiful. Fantastic job. So here we go, the finished product. As you can see, it does look stunning. Really finishes the inside of the car off, I think. You've got your silver stitching there to match the interior of the car. You've got the yellow leather 12 o'clock stitch there, which to match the exterior of the car, of course. 3/4 Alcantara with such an upgraded quality of the leather at the bottom as well, like that quarter piece there, really nice. Such a nicer piece of leather than what you get on the standard steering wheels for these. I can't wait to see Dino's face when I drop this off to him. I think he's going to be over the moon with it. Really is. I've sent him a little teaser photo, and yeah, he looked impressed, and I think he's even keener now to see it. So yeah, can't wait to drop it off to him shortly. But obviously this has been the guys at the Royals steering wheel. It's at Aylesbury, so check them out. We'll put a link in the description for them. They could do obviously all types of makes and models for you, change sort of slight shapes of the steering wheels, flat bottom steering wheel, and put the sort of the thumb grips and stuff in there as well. So definitely check them out. Quality work. But yeah, thanks for watching this one. Please like, give us a comment. Let us know if you would have done anything different to this wheel, any other colours or options. Let us know if you're thinking about doing this yourself and what car you've got. And also, please subscribe to the channel. Like I say, it certainly helps us out. And plenty more content coming. Hopefully the content and it's getting better and more interesting for you as well. So yeah, give us a subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.